Insincerity. Doubts and desires have taken hold of their hearts, so they give priority to the temporal world over the permanent hereafter. Their intentions are nothing except to gain the material world, even when they perform righteous deeds. They fail to remember the famous narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 1, which clearly advises that one will be judged according to their intention. They behave like the righteous yet will find no righteous reward on Judgment Day. They prefer pleasing people over obeying Allah, the Exalted. They fail to understand that when one aims to please Allah, the Exalted, He will protect them from the displeasure of people, even if this protection is not obvious. But if a person chooses the obedience of people, they will not protect them from the displeasure of Allah, the Exalted. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shakepod.com.